Hello, this is Seema. She's a patient at Hua Hospital. I'm going to show you the best treatment for her regarding her lower first molars, lower sixes. If you can notice here, she has class 5's hair, and it's not arrestable. Although you have treated, it's not the best treatment for it. The occlusal surface has been filled with glass ionomer, and this is the upper right 6. It's also has been filled with glass ionomer, but you can see the buccal surface, it still has decay, although we have tried oral hygiene with her. So the best treatment option for her now is to use stainless steel crowns. These are the stainless steel crowns for primary teeth, but we have already prepared the teeth and the stainless steel crowns to be fit to the permanent teeth. And now we will use the lutein cement. Now the stainless steel crown is ready. That's it. Gaz direction. Gazi tong. Na may karawa tong. Tong 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 dalakam tong tong chakam tong 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 tong. Afarin. Temperak shikhom. Now the lower left 6 has been crowned with a stainless steel crown. Gaz gadalakam. Gaz may karawa. Temper. Bala. Temper section. Temper. So the upper right 6 also, we had prepared the stainless steel crown. It's the size that fits it. So the only thing that remains is to lute the stainless steel crown onto the tooth. دم كرك شيخوم اوكي جاهز لطلقكم جاهز تون 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 دم ناكيتو تون 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 دم كركشم جاهز لو دم كرو تون 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 تون. So the point here to understand is that the stainless steel crowns are the best treatment options for primary teeth and for young permanent teeth, especially at this age. Now the patient is 12 years old. The stainless steel crown can remain inside her teeth up to 20 when she's 20 years old, or it can remain for longer. Thank you very much.